taught me nothing, that's to leave me alone!
Today I am packing up to go to Miami, and I'm so excited because I've never been to Miami before, and I just feel like I'm about to have a great ass time. But right now I'm trying to pack and not overpack, but at the same time we're gonna be there for about 5 days, so I kind of want to overpack because you never know what can happen. The weather can change. It's Florida, so I'm definitely bringing a lot more clothes than I probably need to bring. But yeah, so right now I'm just packing and then I'm cleaning up my room, and we should be heading out around 1-2ish. I don't know, it's actually 12:43, so we should be heading out soon, but knowing us, we'll probably be out around like 2. Her flight is at 5 and mine is at 6, so yeah. So let me just finish getting my room together and I will be back with you guys. So it is 2:27. I told y'all me and Raven were trying to leave by 1 o'clock. Leave it to us to not leave by 12 or 1 o'clock. So we are finally ready, and my room is clean, everything is packed, and it's time to go. And I'm just sitting here vlogging and it's time to go home. So we left like 5 minutes ago, and then we realized that we forgot something, so we had to come back. And now I'm just waiting on Raven, and then we can get this show on the road, because I have only been in the airport once, so I'm kind of nervous because I don't remember how it was, and I'm pretty sure I packed everything properly. I think, I don't know, but I'm honestly scared because I get low-key anxiety when like I'm in places that like I'm not familiar with, and there's just so much going on. So I'm very scared, and hopefully I can find the right terminal, and yeah. Guys, so we are here in Florida finally. I found Raven. We had 2 separate flights, so I had to wait on her, and now we're waiting on a shuttle so we can go get the rental car. I am tired, I am hungry, and you can't even see me. And yes, and this lighting is bomb. So a whole hour has passed and we're still here at the airport. It looks like I have
This is her. Caroline.
Hello?
Bitch. Did I tell her?
We're finally in the Uber and we're headed now to get the rental car. And it's so pretty. I have never been to Miami before, but I love it. So we're in Fort Lauderdale. I don't care. The same thing.
And this is boring.
I was looking at the city.
Oh. That's pretty.
That's what I'm talking about, right? We got our car. Yay! I'm excited, and I want food, and I don't know what else to say, but now we're ready to get the night started. So we have left Wet Willie's and we're here at Purdy. I think that's what it's called, Purdy Lounge. And it's actually kind of dead. We walked in and there was barely anybody here. Hey guys, so it's day 1 of Rolling Loud. Me and Raven just got dressed. I'll show you guys our outfits in a little snippet right here. And I'm so excited. We're about to head to Forever 21 to get some earrings and sunglasses, and then we're gonna go to Rolling Loud. Who are you excited to see, Ray?
I'm excited to see Zoe Dallas and Little Dirk.
I'm excited to see DaBaby, even though he's at the same time as Migos and Cardi B. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try to see both of them at the same time. I don't know.
Yeah,
we'll see.
yeah.
We'll be back.
We're all trying to go into the one lane. Like, what the fuck?
We're in traffic right now, and the light's broken, so the police officer told everybody that was back here to go. And look at this shit. I just want y'all to see what we're dealing with right now.
We're all trying to go into one lane. It's not. You got me screaming because we're in the middle of the intersection.
You got people back here. I think that they can. No, stay back. Like, I'm confused.
He's gonna have. Why are you, ma'am? Why the fuck is she still going, bitch? Don't do it. Don't do it. Obviously, I'm in the middle. Like, what is she doing?
This shit is ridiculous.
Where is he going?
Oh my god.
Damn!
So we finally made it. See, it's all the way in the back.
After I had an aneurysm.
I can't even zoom in, but it's all the way back there.
Tory Lanez and Mr. Jones.
Ooh.
We should have went to that one as much as we like him, but
right now we are walking towards the Hard Rock Stadium, and yeah, it looks like it's about to rain low key in the back. You see that?
it does.
So I'm a little nervous because I didn't buy a poncho for that. But I'm wearing a bathing suit top, so it's okay. Shein.
You just gotta be worthy. Come on! But you don't gotta be perfect. Come on! You just gotta be worthy. Yeah. I will give you the world. Good stuff! Showtime! Hey, we can pump. Could have bought a crib on a top. I can live a big truck, no doubt. Hey, never been a big two, just spot. Hey, don't you ain't the burner on my. I don't do no relaxing. Brother bag, giving cash in. That's right, Diddy, am I dripping on the fashion? Hey, Jordan can hit me when I'm passing. Hey, how you gotta take it with public game? I just get lost in these motherfucking trucks. I might just get lost inside of this truck. Don't let me get lost inside of this club. Don't let me get lost inside of this club. I just woke up this morning on some bullshit. Where the fuck am I going? Gotta get some money, I ain't even got 1 cent. How the fuck a nigga finna go and get a lunch break?
Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you and I don't speak, that means I fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a fucking bitch.
So I'm currently editing the video, and I didn't even tell you guys what happened on the first night. I completely blacked out, I guess you could say. My vision went blurry. I couldn't see anything. I could barely hear anything. Like, my hearing would, like, it would go in and out. It's like I would hear things and then I wouldn't, and then I would hear things again, and it was very scary. And I was like, what is happening? I felt like I was dying. I was like, oh no. But yeah, so like I had to get out of the crowd right before Cardi had came on, so that's why I only think I got one of her, because I was trying not to really stare at the screens and like stare like at the lights and everything, but it was really scary. But yeah, back to the vlog.